Hey guys, it's Steve here from Cardinal Kia, and here we will show you how to replace the cabin filter. In order to replace the cabin filter, open the glove box and remove the two side clips. Then remove the side clip and pinch the two side clips at the side of the cabin filter access cover. Now take out the cabin filter and replace it with a new one. Afterwards, reattach the cabin filter access cover and all three side clips. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, and select the notification bell so you stay up to date with all our videos. Also, go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All the links are in the description below.